Three-phase circuits. In this video, we'll try to know what is three-phase system and the different configurations of three-phase system and advantages of three-phase system over single-phase system. Three separate single-phase systems with 120 degrees phase displacement with each other can be considered as a three-phase system. Graphical representation of three-phase system where R, Y, B are the three phases. R starts at 0 degrees whereas Y starts at 120 degrees and B starts at 240 degrees. So since I am considering this as an electrical quantity, it may be voltage or current. So this is the amplitude on y-axis and time period on x-axis. E of R I'll represent with the amplitude, that is E, at an angle of 0 degrees. Similarly, E of Y I'll represent with E at an angle of minus 120 degrees. Then E of B is equals to E of minus 240 degrees, or I can represent this with E of plus 120 degrees phase shift. Common configurations are star and delta. Star configuration looks like this. Then this is the voltage in R, V, and Y, V, and B. Then in phases, we can show this R, Y, and B. V and R, voltage, V and Y, V and B. Then the vector form of the star connection will show this as V and R, V and Y, V and B, each 120 degrees apart. This will be V, RB, V, VY, V, YR. V and R, V and Y, V and B represents the phase voltages. Simply we'll represent this as VR, VY and VB. Similarly, V, RB, V, BY, V, YR are line-to-line voltages or line voltage representations. Consider delta configuration. I, RY, this is I, YB, and this is I, BR. We can represent this delta connection as phase windings. Now the vector. Here we have considered the line currents I, RY, I, YB, I, BR. Then the voltages representing the lines V, RY, V, YB, V, BR are the line voltages. V, RY is equals to V of 0 degrees and V, YB equals to V of 120 degrees minus V, BR equals to V of plus 120 degrees volts or V of minus 240 degrees. Here VR equals to V of 0 degrees, Vy equals to V of 120 degrees minus Vb equals to V of minus 240 degrees. Now the advantage of three-phase system over a single-phase system. Three-phase system is more economical since the amount of conductor material needed to transfer same amount of power is less in three-phase system. This is an economical aspect. Now, second one is flexibility. For domestic purpose, industrial purpose, and for commercial purpose, the power can be transferred or distributed from the source easily with the three-phase system. Now, when you consider the technical aspects, the voltage regulation of the three-phase system is better than a single-phase system. A three-phase induction motors are self-starting while single-phase motors are not. So, three-phase system is clearly have the advantages over the single-phase system. Torque produced by a three-phase motor is more. For the same size of the brain, three-phase generator provides more output. So these are the advantages of three-phase system over single-phase system.